Alright, YouTube, I'm ready to get back here. Bring you guys a video. Gonna do a tire repair on this M550i. Super clean. As you can see, I'll just post it. You can see the nail. To it. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna add tire plug to my thing, put some glue on it, we'll prep it, and then I'll take it out. So yeah, I'll just show you guys. It is leaking air, as you can see from the bubble. You can hear it leaking, see the little bubbles. So that's how I diagnose where the air leak's coming from. Show you guys real quickly. Got liquid cement, cover it up nice. And this combo works really well if it's a nail. So as you can see, it's a pretty big nail actually. Nice and sealed. That is the culprit. Now we'll just add air to the wheel. Nice looking rims. Let's see what it's at. Yeah, I'll cut the excess off. And that is pretty much it. I'll just double check. Some water. As you can see, it's sealed nice, and everybody's happy. So that is a big part of what I do. I do roadside assistance, and I charge about between 60 to 80 depending on location for tire repair. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.